Hey there, diligent cleaners. Welcome to our product guide show. I'm your product guru. Oh no, it seems like clean water is leaking. Let's check it out. First, let's lift the clean water tank and see if it's leaking. If the clean water tank isn't leaking, let's check if it's an issue with the installation. Check if there's any excess water flowing from the installation point when you repeatedly remove and replace the tank. Ensure the clean water tank is not removed when it contains water to prevent any leakage. If the water tank is leaking, it might be due to a damaged part. In this case, we need to replace the clean water tank. Please contact us at usupport@uwantech.com to request a replacement clean water tank. Our team is ready to assist you with any issues you encounter.